their work and they're so funny.
Yeah, there's so many funny people around here. It's like amazing.
Oh,
I absolutely. It's bedtime and I have to go home. And it's a bad idea if we run into some.
Oi, bro, get inside.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, you, kid, get inside.
No.
Nice.
What'd you say to me?
Yeah.
Ah.
Get inside.
And it is.
I will shoot you.
I'll shoot you.
You really thought you can shoot me now, didn't you? Ha!
Oh, where did he go?
Where did he go?
Alright, so what was your part of the play?
I was the kidnapper.
I was the I was the one with the camera. What was your part inside the video? Like,
He killed me.
oh, they go both of the. He's the main character.
Oh my
He's the main character. He's the side character. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, like and subscribe and yeah.
Yo, but do you got a PS5 with Minecraft on it? So we could play together.
Go. Wait, hold on, read it.
Huh?
Where'd you go? Uh-oh. We have run into a problem.